Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. So you can see that today I've created this look and I've done this pink smoky eye look, and hope you all will like this makeup of mine and will watch the whole video. The video will be a bit longer as I'm including the face makeup and also the eye makeup in this video. My daughter is calling, so I have to rush, but hope you all will like the makeup video. And so for what are you waiting? Here you go. Bye bye. So I'm beginning my tutorial from priming my eye eyelid with the concealer, as I've already used my primer, moisturizer and toner beforehand. So my concealer shade is 15, shade number 15, fair. Now I have outlined my eyebrows and I have blended the concealer. After that, I have used a cello tape on the corner of my eyes, and you can see you have to exactly put it in a shape so that your exactly the shape you want for your eyeshadow. Now after that, I'm just filling up my eyebrows with this Maybelline Nudes palette. I have used the gray shade to fill up my eyebrows. You can take any black shade from any eyeshadow palette you have with you. I just took this black shade from the same palette and put it on the corner of my eyes and blended it properly just on the corner and little bit on the crease. Now I'm using this beauty glazed eyeshadow palette, Gorgeous Me, and I took a deep pink eyeshadow and put it exactly on the crease, not above the crease. You have to make it sure that this deep pink eyeshadow that I am using should not go above the crease. Then with another eyeshadow brush which has no color in it, I blended my eyeshadow. So again I took the black shade because the black shade has already faded away. So I took the black color again and darkened it. Then again I took a lighter pink shade from the same eyeshadow palette, that is Beauty Glazed palette Gorgeous Me, and used it as a transition shade above the crease line. The transition shade is used exactly to give a nice transition so that no harsh line remains. Now with the same concealer that I have, but the shade number now is the shade number is same, that is 15, and I put it on the I just made a cut crease on the corner of my eyes till the center of my eyelid. Now from this Huda Beauty palette, I took the shade Pink Diamond and with my fingertip I applied it on my crease, exactly on the place that I have made a cut crease with my concealer. Always for the shimmery shades I prefer to use my fingertips than using any eyeshadow brush, because the pigmentation that you get is always much better. Then again I took the same black eyeshadow. You can take from any eyeshadow palette you want, and I just darkened up the outer corner of my eyes. Then I just blended the black eyeshadow nicely. Now I'm just putting the same deep pink eyeshadow on the lower eyelid of my eyes. And this is without any pigmentation, without a clean brush. I just used it to blend my whole eyeshadow. Now with this plum kajal, I used it on the lower lid of my eyes and on the upper eyelid, not upper eyelid, on the lids. And then I took the deep pink eyeshadow again from the same beauty glazed eyeshadow palette to blend my lower eyelid. Now with another new brush, I took a lighter shade and put it on the absolutely on the inner corner of my eyes. So yes, I didn't do the another eye, and I'm done with my eyes. I'm just putting my favorite eyeliner. This Lakme eyeliner is my favorite and the best eyeliner, and I just did a wings on the upper eyelid. See, I've opened my sellotape that I have put before, and the eyeshadow that has been completed is very nicely done. So okay, now I'm using this Milani eyeshadow, and I'm in the shade 02 Natural. This Milani eyeshadow is very nice. It's a Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer, and I like this, though it's a bit thick, this foundation, but I like this foundation a lot because this foundation gives a very nice coverage, and a very little bit is required to completely cover your face. Now I will be using the face powder that is available with this Wet n Wild contour palette. You can use any face powder that is available with you to set up your foundation. The next thing that I will be doing is I will be using my concealer on the lower underneath of my eyes, on the corner of my nose, on the tip of my nose, on my cupid zone, on the center of my forehead, and on the lower part of my face. And just see that I blended my concealer exactly on the places that I have put. I haven't spread the concealer all over my face. These are the high points on my face that I have used. Okay, so this is now called baking of the face. I am just putting the powder in extra quantity on my face, and I will be dabbing it off after a few times. It's now time for contouring. I'm using the same contour palette and I'm contouring my face. I've already made a video on how to do contouring, concealing, highlighting, blushing and everything. You can check that video of mine too. After contouring my face, I use this NYX liquid lipstick to use it as a blush, and yeah, the shade is nice. So you can use any lipstick, any blush, whatever is available with you as your blush. I always say this, it's not compulsory that you always have to use a particular blush only. You just saw that I have dusted off the extra powder that I used before for baking my face. Now I used my Revolution highlighter on my high points, and with the same contour palette I contoured my nose. I usually skip this step on my daily life, but as I'm doing this video, so I thought to include this step even. The next thing that I will be doing is highlighting my brow bones and the inner corner of my eyes. So my makeup is nearby to finish it, nearby to end. It's time for my lipstick. I will be using this pink one, Maybelline Pink One lipstick, and I will top it off with this Eye Amsterdam liquid lipstick that I have purchased from Purple website to give a nice like brightness to this pink shade. Okay, so now I used my MAC setting spray, and here I am using my Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara to finish off my makeup. So I hope you all have liked the end result of the makeup video, and if you have really liked it, do like, share and subscribe. Take care and bye bye.